Do it, advisor.
What is up?
Now in session.
What is up, YouTube? We're here. It's winter time, so it's kind of hard to get some content. So we're actually bringing you another food challenge. We're waiting on parts for our car, so they'll be in about next week, so we can get some more content on that. But right now we are eating preserved duck eggs. They're also called century eggs. So they're kind of weird looking too.
Blue, green, or what?
Yeah, like a bluish green. They're all vacuum packed. So, yeah, kind of. It's really dark on that end, ain't it?
I'm smelling them already, or no?
I don't know.
I got a whiff of something. It's like Christmas.
Yeah. Ooh.
Uh-oh.
It's a little sticky too. Smell like poop.
Oh, that's not good. See, that's not. I need to get it all the way. That looks slick. You're slick.
No, that's sticky. I don't know why it's sticky.
Seen the glare on it.
Yeah. I don't know. So yeah. Really dark on that end.
Seen that.
Is yours too dark on one end?
And it's born.
Also guys, this is my buddy Brian. First time on the channel. He gets to do a nice food challenge, and this is my daughter Mia. It's her first time on the channel, so give us a like for that. And I guess we're gonna open these bad boys.
Got a crackish. Ooh, I got a piece out. Ooh, that's ugly. It's darker than this.
No,
shell.
I think it's you gotta pull that off.
That comes off?
Yeah, that's the skin. You know how it's like egg. There it is. See, look. Ooh.
Ew,
Oh, it's black, guys.
Yeah.
Give that one a smell. See what you think it smells like now.
Like underarm deodorant?
Pleasant.
Or on somebody's underarm?
Smells like fish food.
It
does.
Look at that.
Ooh, is that the egg?
That's scary. Looks like an olive. It does, like a big giant black olive. It does look like a giant olive. It is. Look. Looks like at the pit end and everything. Look at that.
Wow.
Dude, that's the weirdest egg I've ever seen. Ever.
I've never seen anything like this, guys. I mean, never seen anything like this.
It's not horribly stinky.
Not yet.
Which way you cut yours? Like a
Long
deviled
way.
egg?
Yeah, like a deviled egg, long ways probably. I don't know. I can't get mine to come apart here. There it goes.
Uh-oh. You gonna squirt?
Oh, it kind of, mine peeled open.
Ooh.
He says, ooh.
It looks like Jello.
Yeah, it's gelatinous, isn't it?
Jello.
It's kind of see-through.
Gel, dude. It is.
It ain't like a normal egg white, is it?
No. You can see through it. Look.
Wow. I'm trying to get mine off without ripping this whole end off. Just trying to peel it off. Oh, there it is. Oh. That part it is kind of
Not horribly smelly. Not as bad as I thought it would be.
See, mine peeled all the crap off the side of it, I think. Yeah, everybody act like they stunk so bad.
Well, Well, it depends. If they're living in a city, they
Multiple
don't
choice
normally
there.
smell stuff like this.
Ooh, that's. Oh, look at mine.
Ew. Ew.
Mine's
Mine.
creamy.
Ew.
Mine's,
That's nasty.
mine's creamy.
That's nasty, but that looks like pus. Ew, mine ain't like that.
Well, why is you guys as hard? Mine's all creamy.
Ew, you gotta eat that too. Ew.
Oh god.
No.
You stink?
Yeah. Why don't you get a big old whip of it? You want to smell it?
Oh, it's gooey, dude.
Ew. It stinks too.
It's
It's like infection. Ew, you're not. I couldn't do that. I couldn't do it. Ew, I'll try it, but I'm not doing that.
I'm crying. I'm laughing so hard.
You
I got the nastiest one.
did. You got effed up.
Oh, it smells like doo doo. Did you lick that? Is it unique or what?
Something.
You alright, brother?
Tastes like shit. It does taste like shit.
Oh, this is gonna be rawful,
It's salty. I ain't try that.
Oh.
I just ate a piece of that.
Oh, this smells like dookie, dude.
That is, dude. I bet that's infection or something. You better not eat that.
It shows gooey ones on here. Look, it shows a gooey one in here.
Well, damn glad you got it, because I'm not putting that in my mouth. Ew.
Take it.
You better cut that. Don't. You going? Ew.
What you got over there?
Have you had it
You
yet?
can't eat just the. You gotta cut. You gotta eat that. Yeah, you got.
Yeah, you can't do that.
Did you got it in your mouth already? Oh God. Why do I get the Look how.
cut yours.
Guys,
Cut it again.
look at this thing.
That's disgusting.
It's disgusting looking. You're going in for another bite or
No,
what?
I'm not eating that. Look at that.
You know what it looks like? A Cadbury egg.
Cadbury bags don't look that bad. Ew.
Look how gooey it is in there.
Yeah.
He said, yeah.
No, that I couldn't do. That's nasty.
Alright.
Is she
Let me get my stuff and wash it down. Well, you over there alright? Eat some of the yolk. Yeah, you gotta eat the yolk. You gotta eat the yolk. You can't just eat the gelatinous. You got. He's getting him a piece. Oh my gosh. Oh, he did it.
That's somebody actually eats this all the time.
It.
Ew. No. That's nasty.
It got on my finger. It got on my finger.
Ew.
Is it shell on it?
It's got a bitter aftertaste.
I bet you mine's gonna be awful here. What'd you get?
Oh.
Ew.
Don't do that.
You did. She just ate the gelatinous stuff. She just spit it out. She gotta eat some
No.
of the yolk.
I swallowed some of it and I puked it out. No, thank you.
Ew. Yeah, that aftertaste is bad.
You ready for the slimy one?
Mm,
Oh,
no.
I dropped it on the table.
Look,
Fuck.
Ew.
eat the table.
Oh goodness, this is gonna be nasty. I think.
Yeah, it's already nasty. Ugh. And I'm glad mine don't look near that.
Oh, here we go. Mine stinks worse than yours too, dude.
I can tell.
It smells like fish bait over here.
Yeah. I don't think fish would eat that. Not that one.
Eat it.
He's like, eat it.
You got the hair on the nads.
Oh, that stinks.
I had it in my mouth longer than you could even chew it.
Shoot.
Dude, I about puked, bro.
Ew. You gotta do the big caramel center.
Dude, it tastes like dog duty.
You can tell it. That one has to be rotten.
Oh,
Literally.
It tastes like dog duty.
See, hers ain't that way either. Cut yours one more time in half. Yeah.
That's gross.
His must have been taking as long as to cure.
I don't know. Yeah, you see, yours ain't like that either, but it's a
Right.
little gelatinous, but
Not like that. Look,
Mine's
it's
creamy.
flowing out there.
It's
didn't
like-
have as long
yeah.
as
it's like a
yours.
caramel cream
Looks
pie.
like a pus pocket.
Ugh.
Oh,
Yeah,
That nasty.
I'll tell you what, guys, I would
Eat
recommend
it.
that.
Nobody.
That's freaking. Oh. Oh.
Whatever you want to do with that, that's on you. I'm not.
Yeah, I about puked.
I can't get that taste out of my mouth.
I highly doubt anybody ate that entire carton. They
Oh.
probably threw it all away. There's
Is
no
it bad or
way.
what?
Can't get it out of my mouth. The taste.
Oh. Yeah, so, guys, I guess if you like the video, please like, subscribe, share.
Don't eat it.
I dare somebody else to try these things, guys. I'm telling you, that one was awful.
That was straight nasty.
Ugh.
Like a
No.
bird pooped in it.
I think I got the worst one out of everybody.
Yours was rotten. Literally rotten.
Wait, what, you getting you another bite?
No, I'm making sure. See,
See, why don't you get your big bite
nice
back?
and soft. I ate that. I ate some of that.
That's
That's where I got that bitter taste.
That's where you got the bitter taste.
Mm-hmm. Ugh.
Ugh. That looks so bad.
That's nasty. Look at that.
Ugh.
I've never seen an egg turn to jello. You didn't see through it.
That one still got some yolk in it.
Ooh, I can't go.
That one needed another day or two,
In
probably.
another 100
Lightweight.
years.
Wow. Is that the skin off
Yeah.
of it? Woo-wee.
Yeah. I don't recommend that to anybody to eat.
Nobody. This stuff is awful.
You can't even cover it with
It
a
is
cracker or nothing.
Wow.
No.
Not something I would eat again, I don't think.
I lose. I can't eat it.
Oh, shit.
All on you.
I'm good.
The shell's thicker than a normal egg.
Maybe we can do offer somebody $20 to eat it.
Yeah, who? Who's gonna eat that?
I do not know.
That's rough.
Right? Might have to up the ante.
Yeah. I got it all over my fingers. That stinks real bad.
Oh yeah, I can only imagine. Imagine what my breath smells like.
Oh.